Imagine you are walking in a dark room and suddenly you step on a sharp needle. Instantly, you feel a sharp, intense pain shooting through your foot. It feels undeniably real, doesn't it? But here's the twist, it's not that simple. The sensation of pain is real as an experience, but in a deeper sense, pain itself doesn't exist. Pain is just your brain interpreting signals from your nerves, a biological warning system designed to protect you. It's like an alarm, loud and urgent, but still just an illusion created by your mind. Some people are born with a rare condition called CIP, where they never feel pain, no matter how serious the injury. They can break bones, burn their skin, or even suffer internal damage without realizing it. It's a deadly condition. Most people with CIP don't live long because they don't recognize when their body is in danger. Pain is a fundamental biological mechanism that has played a crucial role in our survival and evolution as a species. It developed through natural selection as a protective system, allowing organisms to detect danger, avoid harm, and recover from injuries. Species that could feel and respond to pain had a significantly higher chance of survival, ensuring they lived long enough to reproduce and pass on their genes. In the grand scheme of evolution, our primary purpose is reproduction, ensuring the continuation of our genetic lineage. Humans, like many other species, reproduce through mating with a partner. But survival isn't just about finding a mate, it's about what happens afterward. In the wild, survival isn't just about reproduction. Many species develop complex behaviors to protect and nurture their offspring. Studies show that biparental care, where both parents play a role in raising their young, dramatically increases the chances of survival. But here's where it gets interesting. For biparental care to work, there must be accountability between partners. That means something deeper than just a sexual partner. A bond strong enough to keep them together. At least strong enough to nurture their offspring. This is where love comes in. Much like pain, love is an evolutionary tool. A carefully crafted illusion designed to help our species thrive. The feeling of love, the rush, the longing, the deep emotional connection might seem like purely magical, but beneath the surface, it's a biological symphony playing inside your brain. When you fall in love, your brain releases a cocktail of chemicals. Dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin all work together to create intense feeling of attachment and pleasure. These same chemicals are responsible for our deepest emotion from joy to heartbreak. But here's something fascinating. Studies show that romantic love activates the same brain pathways as powerful drugs like cocaine and nicotine. This means that the euphoria of love isn't just poetic, it's neurological. And just like drugs, love can be addicting. When love is lost, the brain experiences something strikingly similar to withdrawal. The cravings, the obsession, the emotional pain, it's not just in your head, it's how your brain was wired to keep you attached. There's no such thing as pain. It's an illusion created by our body's complex biology. We experience pain as a vivid sensation, even though it's just our nervous system sending signals to our brain. The same goes for love. We feel love deeply, as if it were a powerful force, but it too is an illusion crafted by our biology and mind. Does that mean love isn't real? Not at all. The illusion of pain feels intensely real to the person experiencing it, so real that it shapes their entire reality in that moment. And the same goes for love. When someone is in love, the emotions, the connection, the longing, it all feels undeniable, as if it's the most real thing in the world. But just like pain, love is both real and not real at the same time. It exists in the moment, it is felt, yet it is an illusion created by our biology and mind. Think about it like this. It doesn't matter whether you see fire burning in reality, in a dream, or just in your imagination. What truly matters is that your mind is experiencing it. In that moment, to you, it is real. In philosophy, particularly in phenomenology, this idea is known as intentionality, the principle that our consciousness is always directed toward something. Our minds are never isolated, they are always connected to some experience, whether it's real or merely an imagined one. So while pain and love might be illusions, they are undeniably real in the way they feel to us. Feeling love is real, but only in the moment you experience it. What does that mean? Imagine someone looking into your eyes and saying,
I love you.
I love you. In that instant, those words are true for them. It is a true feeling for that person in the moment they are experiencing it. The promise, the surge of emotion, the warmth, it all feels undeniable. But this truth exists only in that moment, the biological process behind it, the flood of hormones, the shifting patterns in the brain are constantly in motion, always changing. We are living in what some might call a simulated reality, where everything we experience is, in its core, an illusion produced by complex biological mechanisms. Philosophers have long debated the nature of our reality, and one compelling perspective is that our perceptions are not objective truths, but rather subjective constructions. That everything we see, feel, or sense is a phenomenon constructed by our mind. In other words, the reality of love, pain, or even a simple sunset is determined not solely by the external world, but by how we perceive it through our individual biases and senses. This idea is reflected in Berkeley's idealism. Berkeley famously stated, "To be is to be perceived," suggesting that objects and experiences only exist as long as they are perceived. If our reality is just a series of perceptions, then every experience, including love, becomes a simulation crafted by our mind. Just as a video game creates a simulated world that feels real to its player, our biological processes generate experiences that feel undeniably real, even though they might be mere illusions. Moreover, existentialist thinkers remind us that there is no fixed line between right and wrong, or between what is real and what is illusion. Our values and truths are created through our choices and experiences. This reinforces the idea that our perceptions, including the emotions we label as love or pain, are subjective and fluid. Ultimately, our reality, our love, our pain, our entire existence is a tapestry woven from our perceptions. These perceptions are influenced by our biology and our individual biases, leaving no clear separation between what is truly real and what is simply an illusion. In this simulated existence, the boundaries between reality and illusion blur, and every experience is as authentic as it is transient. Love is real, but only in the moment it's felt. It's like a flame, bright, warm, alive, but never frozen in time. Every illusion is a simulated experience crafted by our ever-changing biology. If love, pain, and even our most intense emotions are always changing. Is anything truly real?